Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering why I'm back here, actually, we found two baby cardinals that looked like they were just born not long ago, and their nest. The cardinals are right up here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they are. There's one of them, and there's the other. Hello, guys. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, though, guys. Okay. Hey. Hey. Hey, little guy. And fly. Yeah. There he is. Little guy. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's okay, little guy. Oh, he's so cute. All right. Oh, there's the other one. Whoa, no, little guy, you can't go over there. No, you can't go in the yard. Dog's gonna eat you. Come on, that way, that way. Hey. Hey. Hey, little squeakers. Hey. Hey, little guy. Oh, he's so cute. Look. Oh, there you go. Where'd the other guy go? Oh, he's over here now. Hey, little guy. Come on, back over here. Over here. Come on, back. Go on, back. Come on, you heard me. Come on, you heard me. Go. There you are. Good little guy. There's the other one. I gotta make sure he doesn't go into the really mean dog's yard. Oh, brother. Please don't go. Don't. Good little guy. Good little guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Come on. Oh, no, little guy. Can't go over there. Can't go over here. No. If you over here, we got some really mean dogs. He's headed right towards it. Make sure he doesn't go over here. Where'd the other guy go? Huh. Little guy? Ooh, got a bug on me. Good little guy. Just go away. Shoo you! Get out of here. Come on, come on. Good little guy. Oh, goodness. You're a good little guy. Yes, you are. Hey. You're in my video. Get out of here. Here, shoot. Hey. Well, so cardinals. Well, I guess that's all for now. Bye-bye.